I'll be showing you step by step how you can add a slideshow to your Shopify homepage. And so the settings here that I'll go through are going to be just about the same for any theme you're using. But if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. This will be a quick video here, so let's dive right into it. From your Shopify home section, let's go into online store on the left-hand side menu. This is going to open up the theme section. From here, you can go and add your different slideshow banner when we go and customize our theme. You'll see your current theme here, along with your theme library, as well as different free themes or paid themes you can download from the Shopify theme store. What we're going to be focused on though is going to the customize section of your current theme. So click on that and this will open up the theme editor. So this will be where you can customize your theme. And currently we're on the home page, and on the left hand side we can see the different sections that exist here. I've removed some of the header images that were here before, so we can do a clean addition of a slider. Now to add an image slider, what you want to do is go to the left hand side. We can minimize these just to make things easier, but you want to go and add a new section. Typically this will be called slideshow in just about every Shopify theme. So you want to click on that element here, and we can see now it's been added to the home page. If we want to move this around, we can simply minimize this, go to these 6 dots here, and we can drag it to the top. Typically, sliders are going to be included on the top of the page where we can show different information about our store. And so next, let's go and customize this. On the left-hand side, if we click on slideshow, the settings will then show up on the farthest right side here. We can see the layout. We can set it to grid or full width. Let's leave it as full width here. We can set the slide height. We can set the pagination counter. So it can be a counter, dots, or numbers. We can see the counter is going to be right here. Then we can set whether to auto rotate the slides, and if that's the case, how long to wait in between rotations. We can go all the way from 3 seconds to 9 seconds there. And for the mobile layout, we can tell it whether to show content below images on mobile, and then we can give it a description for accessibility purposes. So now let's go and edit the actual image content. To do that, you go undo the entire section here on the left-hand side, and we can individually select different images or even add an additional slide. If you want to move these around, again, you have these 6 dots, which you can then drag around to get your correct positioning. So let's go and add our first element. We'll click on the first image in this image slide section and go back to the right hand side. From here, we can either select an image or explore free images, which we can then add as our slideshow first image. So I went to staff favorites. Let's just select the first one here, hit select, and we can see the sizing is basically way off here as it's taking up the majority of the page. So let's go back here to the slideshow overall settings and we'll go to the slide height. It's currently set as to adapt to first image, but let's just set this to small. And it's going to automatically crop our image, making it show up much nicer. Let's go back to the image slide and we can go through the rest of the settings. First, we can set the heading here. I just put amazing outdoor gear. We can change the font size. Let's make this medium. I think large is probably a little too big. And for the subheading, I'll put get amazing deals. Button label, I'll put shop now. And then I'll have this linked to the homepage collection. You can also change the button styling to be an outline button. So you can see it just has the border here, or we can set it to be solid by leaving it unchecked. Then we're going to get customization options on the positioning. So we can see middle center, show container on desktop. You can see the container is going to be this white background. Let's get rid of that. We can set the alignment, the image overlay opacity. So if we go here, if we make this dark, it's going to make the image completely invisible, as there's going to be a complete overlay opacity. So it's going to be fully taking up the image. You can set the color scheme for this, as well as the mobile layout. So quite a few options individually for each image slide. And you do get customization on the image, the heading, the subtext, the button text, as well as different styling. So as this video isn't supposed to be too long here, let's just go and add the second slider image. I'll go to staff favorites again, add this nice picture of the beach, go and remove that third one. So we just have 2 slider images here, amazing outdoor gear. And if we press the scroll button here, we can see our second image slider. So again, this process should be very similar no matter what theme you're using. And overall, you're going to get different customization options that make it super easy to set up a slider for your Shopify store on the homepage. Before I go, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations. It's going to give you a variety of different analytics, allowing you to make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, including Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. There's also going to be a multitude of cost of goods sold options, making it really easy to sync everything into one place. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for the logo in the top left here. There's also a link in the description below that brings you to the same listing, both of which get you access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.